Becoming the best version of yourself is a personal journey that requires reflection, consistent effort, and a commitment to growth. It's not about seeking perfection, but improving daily to live in alignment with your values, aspirations, and potential. Start by getting to know yourself deeply. Take the time to explore your strengths, weaknesses, passions, and values. Identify what truly motivates you and what you want to achieve. Set clear, measurable, and attainable goals. Small, consistent steps, like walking every day or learning something new, can lead to lasting progress. Your daily habits play a crucial role in your development. Identify those that hold you back and replace them with positive practices. Meditating, eating healthily, staying active, or simply expressing gratitude. Adopt a positive mindset, focus on your achievements, and view challenges as opportunities to grow. Invest in your personal growth by reading, taking courses, or engaging in inspiring experiences. Take care of your body and mind by maintaining a healthy lifestyle and practicing mindfulness. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who encourage your growth, while distancing yourself from toxic relationships. Step out of your comfort zone to take on challenges and overcome obstacles with resilience. Learn from your failures, which are opportunities to adjust your actions and improve. Finally, celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Every step counts on your journey. Becoming the best version of yourself is a continuous process that requires patience and dedication, but each day is a new opportunity to move closer to your full potential. You are already on the path to unveiling the best version of you. In the end, becoming the best version of yourself is a journey, not a destination. This process involves small daily actions, genuine self-awareness, and a constant desire for growth. Every step, every effort, and even every failure is an opportunity to get closer to the person you aspire to be. Remember, this journey is not linear, and there is no single path to follow. What matters most is staying aligned with your values, being patient with yourself, and celebrating each achievement, no matter how small. By evolving at your own pace and staying true to your essence, you'll discover that there are no limits to what you can accomplish. The beauty of this process lies in the fact that you are already becoming this version of yourself simply by having the courage to start. Keep moving forward with confidence and consistency, and let each day reveal more of your potential.